Ever pondered over the secret to radiant, glowing skin? The answer may be simpler than you think, found in natural, accessible ingredients. Imagine a DIY serum, a blend of argan oil, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, vitamin E oil, olive oil, and a splash of freshly squeezed lemon juice. These ingredients, rich in antioxidants and vitamins, have the power to combat dullness and discoloration, brighten your complexion, and nourish your skin. Stay tuned to discover how to concoct this magical skin potion at home. The key to this spectacular serum lies in these natural ingredients. First up, we have argan oil, a powerhouse of hydration, known to soften the skin and give it a radiant glow. Next, we introduce jojoba oil, a remarkable moisturizer that closely resembles our skin's natural sebum, making it a perfect ally for balanced skin. The third ingredient is grapeseed oil, an antioxidant-rich oil that helps to combat skin damage and premature aging. Fourth on our list is vitamin E oil, a vital nutrient for skin health that aids in repairing and rejuvenating the skin. We then have olive oil, which is packed with anti-aging antioxidants and hydrating squalene, making it superb for hair, skin, and nails. Lastly, we have freshly squeezed lemon juice, a natural bleaching agent that helps in lightening the skin and reducing discoloration. Now that you're familiar with the ingredients, it's time to learn how to blend them into a glowing skin elixir. Get ready to witness the creation of your very own skin revitalizing serum. Let's start with the backbone of our serum, the oils. Begin by pouring equal parts of argan, jojoba, grapeseed, vitamin E, and olive oil into a clean, dry bowl. The precise proportions aren't as important as maintaining this balance. Each oil brings unique benefits to the table, creating a potent blend that's chock full of antioxidants and vitamins. Next, it's time to add a twist of freshness with some freshly squeezed lemon juice. The citric acid in the lemon juice not only acts as a natural preservative, but also brightens the skin and helps combat discoloration. However, remember to add the lemon juice last and stir gently. This maintains the integrity of the oils and prevents them from breaking down. Once you have your serum mixed, it's crucial to store it correctly. Transfer the serum into a clean, dark glass bottle. Avoid clear bottles as light can degrade the oils over time. A dark bottle ensures that your serum stays fresh and potent for longer. And there you have it. A simple yet powerful serum that promises to brighten and nourish your skin. Remember, consistency is key. Regular application is what will bring out that radiant, even-toned complexion. Voila! Your glowing skin serum is ready for application. Now, the moment you've been waiting for, learning how to use this serum for maximum benefits. Applying this serum is a breeze. Start by taking a few drops, warm it between your fingers, and gently massage it into your skin. The best time to use it? Either in the morning to kickstart your day or at night, letting it work its magic while you sleep. For optimum results, make this serum part of your daily beauty routine. You'll start to notice a difference in just a few days. The immediate benefits? A bright, fresh, and dewy complexion. But the magic doesn't stop there. Over time, with consistent use, this serum will help even out your skin tone, banishing dullness and discoloration. The result? A radiant, rejuvenated complexion that's nourished from within. And there you have it. The secret to glowing skin lies in this homemade serum. Give it a try and say hello to radiant, rejuvenated skin.